Are you a big fan of speed and luxury? Can you imagine a car as fast as 191 miles per hour? Well, that's the speed of one of the fastest BMW cars ever made. Can you believe it? BMW has created some amazing vehicles that not only look great, but also perform at top speeds. From sleek sports cars to powerful sedans, these cars were specially built for performance and style. In this list, we will discover the 10 fastest BMW cars in history and what really makes them special. Let's go. Starting off the countdown is the legendary 2023 BMW M8. Uniquely designed and modeled in two versions, the coupe and the convertible. This beautiful sports car is sure to make heads turn, as it offers nothing short of luxury and power. If you would like to drive a BMW car like you own it, then the coupe version of this powerful car is your best bet, as it is ideal for seamlessly handling high-speed travels and tours. But if you'd rather be at the wheel every once in a while and feel the summer wind blow in your hair while enjoying that spectacular view of the city, the convertible version will give you the thrill and feel you desire. Now, to the exciting part. The 2023 BMW M8 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4 V8, which can instantly take you from 0 to 120 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Can you believe it? Well, you better. As amazing as that sounds, it gets even better with a top speed of 189 miles per hour, making it one of the most outstanding models in terms of speed in the history of BMW. Coming in at number 9 is the 2018 BMW M5 Competition, boasting a thorough blend of elegance, style, and speed. What makes this car special is the upgrade in its handling and control, setting it far ahead of previous versions ever produced. Back then, you needed to have a proper grip on the rear steering if you wanted to stay on track, but that's not the case with this model. It stepped up with incredible features such as a launch control that allows drivers to guide their steering to near perfection. Definitely the best way to stay right on track. With a grand performance of over 189 miles per hour, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. This beast of a ride is worth every penny. And there's more. This iconic muscle car is powered by 600 horsepower, with options for rear or all-wheel drive. Overall, this provides solid stability, letting you drive as fast as you can in no time. Not that you'd expect anything less from a car powered for 189 miles per hour. In celebration of BMW's 30th anniversary came the birth of the iconic 2015 BMW M5 30 Jahre Edition. What better way to celebrate an anniversary than with this? To make it even more special, this model was an upgrade of a previous version, but this time came in limited edition, available only to the lucky few. Here's where it gets interesting. This model came power-packed with upgraded standard equipment, competition suspension, and advanced performance packages, all for the lucky few to enjoy. Worthy of mention is the engine package, consisting of a 4.4-liter turbocharged V8, a top speed of 189 miles per hour, and an instant takeoff from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. When you're in the 2015 BMW M5 30 Jahre Edition, just know you're in for a terrific ride. Stepping in as the 7th fastest BMW car of all time is the 2023 BMW M8 Competition, the current flagship of the company's combustion lineup. While this one does not come with the V12 engines like its predecessor, the E31, this modern-day BMW series, is no less a legend, with its downsized 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that delivers incredible horsepower and speed. Known for its sporty design, this car has a comfortable interior coupled with an adaptive suspension system that easily adjusts for a smooth ride or sporty handling, making it a top choice for driving enthusiasts. This sporty model sure lives up to its name, as it boasts a top speed of 189 miles per hour, an X-Drive all-wheel drive system, and can take you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. No wonder it lives up to the sport's dream. The 2023 BMW M8 Competition is an automotive equivalent of a rocket on wheels, ready to kick off with impressive speed and performance. Up next is the legendary 2015 BMW M6 Competition, one of BMW's most renowned advancements in speed and agility. This is not just another luxurious car, it is your solid companion that takes you on both short and long distance tours without a hitch. The thrilling aspect of this car is the upgrade in performance. It operates at a top speed of 190 miles per hour while boasting an F1-derived V10 engine without any issues. With the xDrive at its 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission enhancing the V8, it's easy to reach 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds without breaking a sweat. Whether you decide to opt for the F06 M6 Grand Coupe with 4 doors instead of 2, the performance is just as thrilling as the others. Now, to the most powerful M5 ever, the 2022 BMW M5 CS. Let's take a quick recap. Back in 2021, the BMW company decided it was time for the luxurious sedan to embody the competition sport treatment, making the M5 a high-performance car. Before then, only previous versions like the M3, M2, and finally the M4 were the only cars with this exclusive treatment. Powered by a revived 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, this stunning model races at a top speed of 190 miles per hour and moves to over 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. How else can you describe an incredible car? The M5 CS model made history as the first BMW ever to drop into the 2-second league by moving from 0 to 60 miles per hour in such a short time. While it combines its 7mm lower suspension with shock absorbers, a great deal of carbon fiber, and other chassis upgrades, this is the most track-focused car in the M5 models. Coming in as the 4th fastest BMW ever is none other than the 2023 BMW M5, a stunning replica of the BMW M5 competition. If you're familiar with the M5 models, you know better than anyone that the BMW M5 and M5 competition had long been separate cars, both when compared on and off the track. The story took a different turn in 2023 when BMW decided to combine the two models. Here's what they did. They designed them as different trim levels instead of separate models. There may not be much of a difference except when you order one over the other, as both are powered by a twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8. It delivers over 600 horsepower and accelerates to a top speed of under 200 miles per hour. Pretty impressive still. Comparing the BMW M5 to some of the other top speedsters the company has ever produced, you'll find a similar 8-speed automatic transmission, which means the BMW M5 is just as impressive as we thought, if not more. Now, to the top 3 fastest cars produced by BMW. We have the third on the list, the 2016 BMW M4 DTM Champion Edition. If you thought BMW had already pushed impressive cars into the market, then you are not ready for the unique qualities of this one-of-a-kind masterpiece. A cheetah on the racetrack. This beauty goes from 0 to 60 in a blink. Specially designed for speed, it combines a lightweight design with aerodynamic features, which include a rear diffuser, rear wing spoiler, and front spoiler. Overall, it features a twin-turbo straight 6, as seen in the M4 GTS, and tops it up with 500 horsepower. It may not sound like much, but every inch counts, bringing the excitement of racing to your hands. Coming in at number 2 is the 2021 BMW M5 CS F90, considered a unicorn on the road. Here's what you must know. This BMW model is solely focused on high performance and outruns every other competitor on the track. No wonder it came with a lightweight design that allows you to take a trip around the sun in a blink. Well, literally. As rare as it gets, only 150 of the 2021 BMW M5 CS F90 were ever produced. With horsepower of 444, this iconic car operates at a top speed of 190 miles per hour, while sending power to the wheels via the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. If you're ever behind the wheel of a 2021 BMW M5 CS F90, just remember, it's not just a car, it's a beast on wheels. Give it up for the fastest BMW in company history, the 2022 BMW M4 CSL G82, a total upgrade of the BMW 3.0 CSL. It comes power-packed with carbon fiber reinforced plastic body panels, a twin-turbo inline-six, and a whopping top speed of over 191 miles per hour. While dyno tests revealed the M4's horsepower had been downplayed compared to previous editions, it still manages to handle power exclusively through its 8-speed ZF automatic. Certainly not a match for the 3.0 CSL. Overall, you'll find the BMW M4 CSL G82 roaring past with a top speed like it has no care in the world. If you're looking for a stunning car that focuses on high performance while allowing you to enjoy the thrill of luxury, the BMW M4 CSL G82 is your top choice. And there you have it, the 10 fastest BMW cars in company history. These cars are the perfect definitions of luxury and class while allowing you to take a tour around the world in a blink.